Lalwani from 12th Biology.
Our topic is on chemistry.
So let's not waste the time
And get into the video.
Biomolecule is classified as carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, and nucleic acid. Carbohydrate. General formula used earlier is CxH2OY and called hydrates of carbon, but it is failed in many compounds like glucose. C6H12O6 fit in it, but Ramnos C6H12O5 does not fit in it. Acetic acid CH3COOH fit in it, but it is not a carbohydrate. They are formed when aldehyde or ketone combine and produce such unit on hydrolysis. Classification of carbohydrate monosaccharide. They cannot hydrolyze to form simpler unit. Example glucose and fructose. Second, disaccharide. On hydrolysis, they give monosaccharides. Example sucrose, maltose, and lactose. Sucrose. They are formed by alpha D glucose and beta D fructose. Maltose. They are formed by alpha D glucose and alpha D glucose. Lactose. They are formed by beta D galactose and beta D glucose. The linkage between disaccharides are called glycosidic linkage. Polysaccharide. Polysaccharide, they contain large number of monosaccharide, example starch and cellulose. Starch. Starch is the polymer of alpha-D-glucose. The component of starch is amylose and amylopectin. Cellulose. We obtain cellulose from plant. The polymer of cellulose is beta-D-glucose and the linkage between them is glycosidic linkage. It is a straight chain. Glycogen. Glycogen is obtained by animal or animal starch. The polymer of glycogen is alpha-D-glucose and it is similar to amylopectin and present in liver, brain, etc. Importance of carbohydrate. They are major portion of our food and also provide raw material for textile, paper, lacquers, etc. and present in stomach, brain, liver.
Proteins. Proteins are polymers of alpha amino acids. Sources of proteins are milk, cheese, pulses, etc. Amino acids are divided into essentials and non-essentials. The amino acids which can be synthesized in the body are called non-essential amino acids. On the other hand, those which cannot be synthesized in the body and must be obtained through diet are known as essential amino acids. They are divided into 20 amino acids. There are 3 basic, 3 acidic and 14 neutrals. Aspartic acid, glutamic acid and asparagines are acidic in nature. Arginine, lysine and histidine are basic in nature. In aqueous solution, the carboxyl group can lose a proton and amino group can accept a proton, giving rise to a dipolar ion known as Zwitter ion. This is neutral but contains both positive and negative charge. In Zwitter ion form, amino acids show amphoteric behavior as they react both with acids and bases. Proteins are peptide linkage between two amino acids. Proteins are classified into two types on the basis of their molecular shape: fibrous proteins and globular proteins. Fibrous are insoluble in water and globular are soluble in water. Insulin and albumins are the common examples of globular proteins. Globular proteins are further divided into primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure and quaternary structures. Primary structure is further divided into alpha helix and beta helix. In this, alpha helix is more stable than beta helix. Denaturation. When a protein in its native form is subjected to a physical change like change in temperature or chemical change like change in pH, the hydrogen bonds are disturbed Due to this, globules unfold and helix get uncoiled and proteins loses its biological activity. Only 2° and 3° gets denaturated. Example, egg, curdling of milk.
It has been observed that certain organic compounds are required in small amounts in our diet, but their deficiency causes specific disease. These compounds are called vitamins. They are generally regarded as organic compounds required in the diet in small amount to perform a specific biological function for normal maintenance of optimum growth and health of the organism. Vitamins are classified into two groups depending upon their solubility in water or fat. Fat-soluble vitamins and water-soluble vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins, which are soluble in fat and oils but insoluble in water, are kept in this group. These vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. They are stored in liver and adipose. Water-soluble vitamins. B group vitamin and C group vitamin are soluble in water, so they are grouped together. Water-soluble vitamins must be supplied regularly in diet because they are readily excreted in urine and cannot be stored in our body.
Nucleic acid. Every generation of each and every species resembles its ancestors in many ways. It has been observed that nucleus of a living cell is responsible for this transmission of inherited character, also called heredity. The particles in nucleus of the cell responsible for heredity are called chromosomes, which are made up of proteins and another types of biomolecules called nucleic acids. These are mainly of two types, the deoxyribose nucleic acid DNA and ribonucleic acid RNA. Since nucleic acid are long chain polymers of nucleotides, so they are also called polynucleotides. DNA contain 4 bases, adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. RNA also contain 4 bases. The first 3 are same as in DNA, but the fourth one is uracil. A unit formed by the attachment of a base to first position of sugar is known as nucleoside. When nucleoside is linked to phosphoric acid at fifth position of sugar moiety, we get anucleotides. Nucleotides are joined together by phosphodiester linkage between fifth and third carbon atoms of the pentose sugar. RNA molecules are of 3 types: messenger RNA, ribosomal RNA, and transfer RNA.